Right then, let's talk grub. Food isn't just something we need to survive, it's at the heart of our best moments, our celebrations, and even our everyday routines. Whether you're sharing a meal with friends, grabbing a quick bite on the go, or cooking up something special at home, what you eat shapes how you feel, think, and move. Why your food is your superpower. Think of every meal as a chance to fuel your body for greatness. The right foods can boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and give you the energy to tackle anything the day throws at you. Forget what you know about nutrition being boring or complicated. Food is your secret weapon. It's not about strict diets or counting every calorie. It's about discovering how delicious, colorful, and exciting healthy eating can be. Every bite you take fuels your body and brain, powering you through your day. Imagine your meals as the building blocks for your energy, your mood, and even your immune system. The choices you make at the table can help you feel more alive, more focused, and more ready to take on the world. Good food isn't about deprivation, it's about vibrant flavors, energy, and joy. It's about enjoying what you eat and feeling good about it too. You don't have to give up the foods you love. Just learn how to balance them with choices that nourish you. We'll strip away the nonsense and show you how simple and delicious eating well can be. No more confusion, no more guilt, just real food, real flavor, and real results. We'll show you how to make healthy eating a natural part of your life without stress or sacrifice. Think of your kitchen as your personal laboratory, where you get to experiment with new tastes, textures, and recipes. It's a place for creativity, connection, and fun. You'll see how easy it is to whip up meals that are both nourishing and satisfying. This isn't about giving up your favorite meals, it's about making smarter choices most of the time. We'll explore the basics, carbs for energy, protein for strength, and all those vitamins and minerals that keep you ticking. You'll learn how to spot the foods that help you feel your best, and how to build meals that keep you satisfied and energized. Ready to make your kitchen the heart of your home again? It's time to rediscover the joy of cooking, sharing, and eating together. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you start making small positive changes. Let's unlock the secrets to feeling fantastic, one meal at a time. So grab your apron, gather your friends or family, and let's get cracking, because great food is just the beginning of a great life. The nitty-gritty. What on earth is nutrition anyway, right? Let's get down to brass tacks. Nutrition is simply how food works in your body, fuel, repair, and power for every cell. Think of your body as a high-performance car. You need the right fuel to run well. Good nutrition is about thriving, not just avoiding illness. It affects your mood, sleep, focus, and even your immune system. When you're nourished, you feel sharper, stronger, and happier. Nutrition isn't about endless calorie counting or banning treats. It's about balance, variety, and enjoying real food. Learn what your body needs and give it the good stuff, deliciously. Knowledge is power, and it's yours to use. The Dream Team. Meet your macronutrients. These are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts, and they're the foundation of every meal you eat. Whether you're planning a quick lunch or a festive dinner, understanding your macronutrients is the first step to building a plate that fuels you for whatever life throws your way. Meet your plate's superstars: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each one plays a unique and vital role in keeping you energized, strong, and healthy. Think of them as the three pillars that support your body's daily needs, from powering your morning run to helping you focus at work or school. Carbs are your main energy source. Think wholemeal bread, brown rice, and oats. They're the fuel that keeps your body and brain running, especially when you need to concentrate or stay active. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are all excellent sources of carbohydrates, providing not just energy but also fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help your body thrive. Proteins are the builders, found in lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. They help repair and build muscles, support your immune system, and keep you feeling full and satisfied after meals. Whether you're an athlete or just want to stay strong, protein is essential for everyone, every day. Fats aren't the enemy. Good fats from avocados, olive oil, nuts, and oily fish are essential for your brain and heart. They help your body absorb vitamins, keep your skin glowing, and even support hormone balance. Choosing healthy fats can make your meals more satisfying and delicious, while also protecting your long-term health. It's not just about eating these nutrients, it's about choosing the right types and the right balance for your lifestyle. Reading labels and understanding what's on your plate can help you make smarter choices every day. The trick: choose the right types and balance them. A balanced meal isn't about perfection, it's about variety and moderation. Mixing different foods ensures you get a range of nutrients, flavors, and textures, making every meal more enjoyable and nourishing. A great meal has all three: energy from carbs, strength from protein, and healthy fats for brain power. When you combine these macronutrients, you create meals that keep you full, focused, and ready for anything. Don't cut any out, just pick the best quality you can. Fresh whole foods are always a great choice, and shopping at local markets can help you find the best ingredients for your meals. Imagine a plate with grilled chicken, quinoa, and a salad with olive oil and seeds. It's colorful, balanced, and packed with everything your body needs to feel its best. That's not diet food, it's just real, balanced, delicious eating. Sharing meals with friends and family makes healthy eating even more enjoyable and sustainable. Remember, portion sizes matter too. You don't have to measure everything, but being mindful of how much you eat helps you stay in tune with your body's needs. Mix it up, enjoy the variety, and fuel your best self. Trying new foods and recipes keeps things interesting and helps you discover new favorites. No need for extremes, just smart, tasty choices. When you focus on balance and quality, eating well becomes simple, satisfying, and something you can enjoy every day. Job done. The unsung heroes: vitamins and minerals, your body's little helpers. Micronutrients: vitamins and minerals are tiny but mighty, keeping your body running smoothly. Vitamins like A, B, C, and D support your eyes, energy, immunity, and bones. Minerals like calcium and iron build strong bones and carry oxygen in your blood. Don't stress about memorizing them all. Just eat a variety of colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, and proteins. Nature packs these nutrients into delicious foods, so fill your plate with a rainbow. The more variety, the better you cover your bases. Focus on real, fresh ingredients and let your body's helpers do their thing. That's the easiest way to stay in tip-top shape. Right, let's talk about the most important nutrient of all, and it's one we often forget: water. Your body is about 60% water. Every process depends on it. Even mild dehydration can leave you tired, unfocused, or with a headache. Before you reach for snacks or coffee, try a glass of water. You'll feel the difference. Aim for pale straw-colored pea as your hydration guide. Adjust for heat or exercise, and remember, herbal teas and water-rich foods count too. Make hydration a habit. Keep a bottle handy, start your day with water, and add fruit or herbs for flavor. It's simple, cheap, and your body will thank you. Don't overthink it, just drink up. Cheers to feeling better, one sip at a time. Eating well shouldn't be a chore. Cook from scratch when you can. It's the best way to control what goes in your body. Even a quick homemade meal beats a ready meal for nutrition. Eat a rainbow every day. More colors mean more nutrients and tastier plates. Plan ahead with a few meal ideas and a shopping list to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Stock your kitchen with good staples for easy, healthy meals. Listen to your body, eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full. Practice mindful eating, put away distractions, and really taste your food. You'll notice when you've had enough and enjoy meals more. Small changes add up. Focus on progress, not perfection. Make eating well simple, fun, and part of your routine. You've got this. The world of nutrition is full of myths, half-truths, and downright daft advice. It's easy to get lost in the sea of information, but today we're here to set the record straight and help you make informed choices. Myth 1: all fats are bad. Not true. Your body needs good fats from olive oil, nuts, and fish. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall cell health. They can even help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Avoid trans fats and too much saturated fat from processed foods. These unhealthy fats can increase your risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. Always check nutrition labels and opt for natural sources of fat. Myth 2: carbs make you gain weight. Wrong. Your body and brain need carbs for fuel. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source, and without them, you can feel sluggish and tired. Choose whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa for steady energy. These complex carbs provide sustained energy and are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Myth 3. Healthy food is expensive. Basics like lentils, potatoes, and seasonal veggies are budget-friendly and nutritious. You don't need to break the bank to eat well. Planning meals and buying in bulk can also help save money. Cooking at home and using leftovers saves money and boosts health. Home-cooked meals allow you to control ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. There are no magic fixes, just balance, variety, and moderation. A healthy diet is about enjoying a wide range of foods in the right proportions. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and ignore the fads. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins should be the foundation of your diet. If a diet rule sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of quick fixes and miracle diets that promise unrealistic results. Trust real food and keep it simple. That's the real secret. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated. Stick to the basics. Enjoy your meals and listen to your body. Right, hopefully you're feeling fired up and ready to go, but please don't try to change everything all at once. Start small, pick 1 or 2 changes this week, like swapping sugary cereal for porridge or drinking more water. Focus on adding good things, not just cutting out treats. Add an extra portion of veggies or swap a snack for fruit. Get your family or housemates involved. Healthy eating is easier and more fun together. Try a new recipe each week and make it a team effort. Be kind to yourself. Occasional treats are part of life. It's what you do most of the time that matters. Celebrate small wins and keep moving forward. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. You've got this. So there you have it, lovely people. Nutrition stripped back. It's about real delicious food that makes you feel fantastic. Respect your body, fuel your life, and have fun in the kitchen. We've covered the basics: macronutrients, vitamins, myths, and simple tips. Use this knowledge as your superpower and start your own food revolution at home. Share what you've learned, get friends and family excited about real food. The more people join in, the bigger the difference we make. Let's build a community passionate about good food and health. Thanks for joining me. Stay healthy, be happy, and keep cooking. You're all legends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos and health updates. See you next time.